5th of November, when I wrote you home. That's when I decided, but then said forget it and froze. Do you remember? You probably don't. Caught a spark in the sky to the whole of your eye while we spoke. Yesterday, I drank way too much and stayed up too late. Started to write what I wanna say. Deleted the message, but I still remember it said, I wish I was who you drunk test at the midnight. Wish I was the reason you still up to 3 and you can't fall asleep, waiting for me to reply. I wish I was more than just someone you walk by. Wish I wasn't scared to be held as an open instead of just hoping you feel what I'm feeling inside. It's 37 and nothing has changed. It's hard to get by when you're still on my mind every day. Sometimes I question if you feel the same. Do we make stupid jokes trying to hide that we both too afraid to say? I wish I was who you drank us at the midnight. Wish I was the reason you stay up till 3 and you can't fall asleep, waiting for me to reply. I wish I was more than just someone to walk by. Wish I wasn't scared to be honest and open instead of just hoping you feel what I'm feeling inside. Oh, and here we go again. Just try myself to get a plan, hiding away, cause I was afraid you say no. I wanna hear if I cross your mind, had I asked you to mind if I tell you the truth? What would I lose? I don't know.